Hi guys, so good to see you again. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking out my previous video. And today, like I promised in my previous video, we'll be discussing about this special brush. If you have watched my previous video, you will know that I promised you guys that I will show you how to make this special brush. I mentioned that we have 3 ways in which we can create our brush to create our line art. Then I showed you guys the 2 ways we could do that in my previous video, and I promise I will release a video especially for the 3rd kind of brush. And today, that is what I'll be showing you guys. Let's get into it. I want you guys to stick around to the end of this video because I will show you guys how to make money with this tutorial I'm teaching you guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. It won't take long. The video will be a very short one. Just get straight to the point. Stick around. But first thing first, I want you guys to do 3 things for me. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you are new. I want you guys to like this video, and I want you to click the notification button so that when I start dropping a new video, you'll be notified about it. And my next video will be another line art. I want us to cover the line art. I want us to cover the line art so that fully well, so that you can just move to painting. Like whenever I move to painting, you know that you are dealing with painting, just painting. So you have to get the application opened. After opening your application up, then create new. You can choose any. This one should be in pixels. Then you can choose any. Let's go with. You can choose any dimension. Just want to show you how to create a brush. You can choose any dimension, then create. Alright. Once you are here, then the first thing you have to do is go to your shape tool here. Go to ellipse tool. Then you draw the circle like this. Then you have to fill the circle you just drew. You have to fill it with black. Let's do that. Double click here, fill. I talked about this in my previous video, so this is filled with white now, so I want to fill it with black. So double click here, then to bring up this tab, then choose black. Okay, then we are filled it with black color. Then the outline stroke, you don't need that, just put that to none. So after creating your ellipse like this, I mean this particular circle, this particular shape, then you want to come to your brush, then come here, then you click on new brush. If you remember very well, in my previous video when we did something like this and this tab came on, we had this art brush, bristle brush, and pattern brush. We had them faded, but in this particular one you can actually select them. So they won't be faded in this one. So as you can see, just if you've seen this tab like this, just go with art brush because we are trying to create a new brush. Okay, we are creating an art brush. If you remember last time we went with calligraphic brush, but this time we are going with art brush. So click on art brush, then okay, to bring up this tab, to bring this up. Don't have so much settings to do here. Just click on stretch to fit stroke length or stretch between guides, but preferably I like using this one. So once you've done that, all you have to do, if you are using your graphics tablet, you can come here and change it to pressure. Then if you're not using, you can just leave it at fixed. Either way, it works perfectly fine. So I'll go with pressure here, then okay. After clicking okay, you can just come back to your select here, then you can delete this. After deleting it, your brush would have been created. A final. So your brush would have been created. So all you have to do is just click this, then come to your brush, then you can start drawing. You see, the beauty of this brush is that whenever you make a stroke like this, the starting point here will be thin, then it gradually widens up, then at the end of the stroke it becomes narrow again. It starts narrow, then widens, then goes back to being narrow again. So that's the beauty of this brush. That's the beauty of this brush, and this is the brush I recommend you guys to use whenever you are making your line art. All right, it works amazing, it works good. So that's all today's tutorial. I hope you guys gained one or two. I'm sure you guys have gained one or two, I'm sure. So if you have gained, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe to the channel, I want you to turn on the bell notification so that when next I drop my new video, you'll get notified about it. And again, in my previous video, I know I promised that we would go straight into painting, but as it now, I want us to cover 2 or 3 more tutorials on line art so that you guys can get it. So possibly my next video will still be about line art, then we will use this brush just created to do that. All right, so thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. Oh, I promised you to show you something, and I will show you right now. Yeah, so what I want to show you guys are these 5 freelancing sites. I know some of you might be familiar with this site already, but I just want to put it out there for new people that are just joining this design community or artist community. So as you can see, these 5 sites, Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, 99 Design, and Behance. These 5 sites are great sites that you can get clients from and draw for them, and they'll pay you. Personally, I use Fiverr and Upwork, and I've been getting so many clients on Fiverr most especially. And this kind of work, if you know what you're doing, you really make a lot of money from it. You know, people are ready to pay for these things. They are ready to pay for these things. Just want you to get your game right, and I promise you, you'll make money from this. But I want to put it to you guys that you should make sure you check the video tutorials very well, and make sure you learn it. Make sure you are good at it. You know, when you're good at it, it's when people will get to hire you and make you work for them or work with them. So these are the 5 sites. Make sure you check them out and thank me later. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.